So we're looking at this problem. Brian has 3 baskets with 5 apples in each basket, and Shakim has 5 baskets with 3 apples in each basket. Who has more apples? Let's look at Brian first. Brian has 3 groups and 5 in each group. So he has 3 baskets and 5 apples in each basket. The multiplication sentence we can write for Brian is 3 times 5 equals something. Or we could say 3 groups of 5 equals our total. So let's draw a picture. Brian has 3 baskets, and each basket has 5 apples in it. So we have 5 apples in each basket. We can either say 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10, plus 5 more equals 15, and solve it with repeated addition. Or we could skip count. So we could say 5, 10, 15. We could also count each apple individually, but that takes a little bit longer. So I used repeated addition or skip counting to make it even faster. So I found with each of those strategies that Brian has 15 apples in total. So now let's look at Shakim. Shakim has 5 baskets with 3 apples in each basket. So he has 5 groups with 3 in each group. 5 baskets is our number of groups, and 3 apples in each basket is the number in each groups. So Shakim's multiplication sentence is 5 times 3 equals something. Or we could say 5 groups of 3 equals our total number of apples. So let's draw a picture. Shakim has 5 baskets. There are 3 apples in each basket. So we could use repeated addition to solve this, and we could say 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 3 more equals 9, plus 3 more equals 12, plus 3 more equals 15. We could also skip count by 3s. We could say 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We could also count each of the individual apples. That just takes a little bit longer. Either way you solved this problem, Shakim has 15 apples in total. So, going back to our question of who has more, Brian and Shakim have the same number of apples. These equations are equal. 3 times 5 equals 15, and so does 5 times 3 equal 15. So we have 3 times 5 is equal to 5 times 3. This is the commutative property, where we have our 2 factors, and it doesn't matter what order we put them in, we will still get the same total.